In this video I will show you how to fix auto scrolling up and down or auto select up and down problem in laptop. See my laptop auto select top file and folder. How to fix it? Let's get started. Go to your browser and search Key Tester. Click launch the tester. After run Key Tester, I found problem on my keyboard. My keyboard page up button auto pressing all time. How to fix it? Now download a software named KeyTweak to solve this problem. Download and install KeyTweak software. Open KeyTweak software. Now select your auto pressing key. Click disable key and click apply button. After doing this, your computer will restart. After restart, I hope your laptop problem solved. If your problem not solved, I advise you to replace your keyboard and describe your problem computer technician. That's it. Enjoy. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.